Hey there, Geometry Cats. Today we are going to be looking at 3.3a. Do some slope review. Hold on, I gotta pause this really quick. Alrighty, my cats and kittens. I'm back. I should have edited that out, but I won't. Let's do a quick slope review. See what y'all remember about some algebra. So here, I have a slope. Think about money over time on this. This is my money. This over here is my time. My allowance is building up. So here, as time goes on, my money goes up. That's a good thing. That's a positive slope right there. Now think about this. This is my money over time. I bought some Dogecoin at the wrong time. And Miss Twilliger's money went down. That's a bad thing. That's negative. He will continue to be a teacher. Which is a good thing, maybe, I guess, if you're okay with it. Now here, over time, my money is not changing. It's not going up or not down. So that's a slope of 0. And here, time does not exist. Where just money's going up and down without any time going. So that can't be. So that's undefined, no slope. Time has to keep going. Think of time as your x-axis. Okay? Okay. Alright, let's take a look at this. So if we look at a graph and we want to find slope, and we're going to call slope m. Well, m, you may have heard this before about slope, but that's our rise over run. Okay? Speaking of slopes, I just took a ski vacation. It started off great, but it was all downhill from there. Waka waka. Alright. So let's look at one. We're going from A to B. So first I count my rise. I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So my rise and my slope is 4. Next I need to figure out my run. Run is how far you go left and right. So I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went to the right 5. So my slope is 4/5. Alright, let's take a look at number 2. Let's find the slope. So I gotta find my rise over run. So I go down 1, 2, 3, 3. I go down 3. That's down, so that's -3. And how far do I go to the right for my run? Well, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -3 over 6, which as a fraction reduces to -1/2. Alright. And you can see, let's scroll down and do the last two there, bud. You can see on number 3, we go up for a rise. We go up 6 over 0. Now we can't divide by 0, can we? So that's undefined. That's impossible. Number 4, we go over, or we go up 0. We went up 0, and we went over 3. And 0 divided by 3 is something. It's 0. So we have a slope of 0. Alright? Alright. Alright. Whoopsie schnoodles. Sorry for the language. Now, how do we find slope if they give us an ordered pair? Well, we use that change in y over change in x formula. This is a nice little review for y'all. So like for 5, find the slope from A to B. So let's call this one x1, y1, and we'll call this one x2, y2. Does it matter which one's x1, y1, which one's x2, y2? No, you'll get the same answer either way, so don't get too caught on that. So I'm going to do my y2, which is -1, minus my y1, which is 5, all over my x2, which is 6, minus my x1, which was -2. -1 minus 5 is -6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Reduce that down to -3/4. All right. Let's take a look at number 6. Find our slope. So I'm going to do my change in y's. So 7 minus -3. Always y on top. Don't ask me why. Walk, 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 walk. I'm going to do my change in x's. So -6 minus 11. Minus -11. So this becomes a positive. Ask me if I'm sure I'm positive. This becomes a positive. So I get 10 over 5, which I hope we all know is 2. Alright, let's do 2 more, y'all. Find the slope of xy. Alright, so I'm going to do y2 minus y1. So 2 minus -4. Over my change in x. So I'm going to do 9 minus 9. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. When I do that, I get 6 over 0, which we all know is undefined. You cannot divide by 0. No dice. No dice. Alright. Let's do one more. Find slope of this piece. I'm going to do y2 minus y1. -3 minus -3 over my change in x. So 0 minus -7. This becomes a positive. Here I get 0 over positive 7, which is an acceptable slope. You can have 0 as a slope. Okay, 0 and undefined are two different things. We'll get more into in class. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.